Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add or connect a card to your Pocket Option account so you can start depositing funds easily and securely. But before we get started, we are feeling a little generous today. If you don't already have a Pocket Option account or want to open a new one, you can use the link in the description to get a $50 bonus after your first deposit. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. First, you'll want to open up your Pocket Option account and log in. You want to make sure that you're using your real account, not the demo one, since adding a card only works on verified real accounts. Now, once you're logged in, you want to look to the left-hand side of your screen and select Finance. From here, you want to choose Deposit, and then you want to scroll down until you see Visa or MasterCard. This one. So click the Visa MasterCard option. From here, you'll need to have either a Visa or MasterCard in order to add it and make a deposit. But before proceeding, Pocket Option requires you to verify your profile. So if you haven't yet, just click on this icon. So once you've completed the verification process, once that's done, you can move forward. From here, you want to enter the amount you want to deposit. On the payment details page, just simply fill in your card details. And after that, just follow the on-screen instructions to confirm your deposit, and you're all set. Your card will now be connected to your Pocket Option account for quick and easy transactions in the future. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks!